Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay with DivineKuizine, and today I'm going to be doing some grilled chicken wings with my DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is sweet, it's spicy because you get the little sweet from the mango, you get a little spice from the hot peppers that I have in here. So stay tuned for this yummy, great video. Okay y'all, so now I'm getting ready to season my wings. So I have some salt, and the reason why I put gloves on is because it's chicken, and when you're doing any type of poultry or chicken, and it's just better not to, use your hands if you don't want to. So I'll put some salt. It's about 2 tablespoons of salt. I have some seasoning or all-purpose seasoning salt I'm gonna put on these wings. I have a little mesquite seasoning. It always gives it another kind of depth of flavor. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, pepper. Just quickly, and then I love smoked paprika, so we're gonna put a little bit of smoked paprika in here, so it tastes a little smoky. And all we're gonna do is just mix this around. You could have did this ahead of time, overnight, to really get that flavors in there, let them marinate. I just didn't have time. This was just something, it's a nice day, and I wanted to do this with, this with the family. And also I want to show you guys what you guys can use the mango barbecue sauce for. And like I said, it's going to be a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweet, so your children will love it as well as you guys. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put these on the grill. Okay y'all, so I finished grilling my mango barbecue wings, which came out very, very good. And I glazed them outside on the grill with some of the mango barbecue sauce. So now I'm going to put them on the platter for my family to be able to chomp away. Sometimes we'll just, do a family style and grab them up and eat them and go for it. I'm going to put a little more sauce on them. But they smell really, really good, y'all. And these cooked really fast because they were small wings, so they weren't like a big wing. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna brush a little extra sauce on the mango barbecue sauce on these wings for my family tonight. Just a little, and they can dip if they want to some more, but I like them a little saucy. Okay y'all, so now I'm going to taste my yummy mango barbecue chicken wings that I've made for my family tonight. So here we go. It's good, y'all. So let me tell you, because I'm a smacker. I got a little heat to it. It's sweet for like that mango. It's just perfection. I'm not just saying that because it's my barbecue sauce, but you gotta get this sauce. This is a banger. You'll enjoy it. You can get it if you're in Atlanta at the Beaufort Farmers Market, or online at my website at ShaysFoodJourney.com under DivineKuizine store. Thank you. Talk to you later.